Welcome to Edomains. In this tutorial, we will see how to add DNS records to a domain name. We go to Domains, Manage DNS, and we go to Add DNS Zone. Under the specific domain name, we select the domain and enter the IP address of the main A record. If we don't have one, we can use this, and then click Confirm. Now the DNS zone is created. In order to edit it, we can click on the pencil tool here, and we can edit, add or delete any of the DNS records here. If we want to edit one, we click on the pencil tool at the right of the DNS record that we want to edit. If we want to add a new A record, we click Add Record, select the A record type and enter the IP address. If it is a CNAME, we select it and enter the destination CNAME. We can also add TXT records. Enter here the TXT data and click Confirm to save the changes. It's important to point the domain name to these name servers in order to use the DNS manager. To change the name servers, we go to Domains, Manage Domains, and we click here on the three dots and select Manage Name Servers. You can enter here the name servers, the DNS3 and DNS4.edomains.com, and click Change Name Servers to save the changes. Finally, if we want to delete a DNS zone, we go to Domains, Manage DNS, and click on the bucket, then Delete DNS Zone. Confirm here. And now the DNS zone is deleted. If you have any questions, please open a ticket and we will reply as soon as possible.